Sumaya English Primary School, Class 6, Subject Science. The chapter is 13 and the name of the chapter is Sound. Now we will see what is sound here. We will see some facts of the sound. It is one of the form of the energy which is produced and which is transmitted by any vibrating matter, and it also travels in a longitudinal ways, not in a latitude ways, in a longitude ways, and it always travels in a faster through the solids than the liquids or the gases. Anything it is there which is made up of solid, that means the sound travels very fast in the solids comparing to the liquids and the gases. So here is some example we will see. See the three types of example with the pictures it has been given. When a song is being played on a radio or any music system in our house, then what happens? The place your hand on its speaker, means just we are seeing the example how the sound has been produced. We are keeping the hands on the speaker. What we used to feel, and when we put off the music, and what you feel now. So we can see the differences between when the music is on and music is off. And the second one is a rubber band. It has been stretched, which is shown in the figure. When the plug the stretched hand, and apart from the movement of the rubber band, what else did you notice? So here we will see the things how it has been produced. How in this example we are seeing just only the how the sounds are being produced, and the same things we can see in the third, that is the tabla, which spreads the some sawdust or the mustard seed sound, that is on the diaphragm of the tabla, that is the knock on the diaphragm lightly with the finger also. What do you see? That means what happening when we are doing with that tabla, that means it makes a sound, that means it produces the sound. In this way we can see the example how the sounds are produced. The objects that produce the sound, that is the speaker, the rubber band, the tabla, that is a certain movement of the producing of the sound. We can see the different certain kind of the motions also, that means they oscillate rapidly, means faster. Whenever they produce the sound, they oscillate faster. That means in other words we can say that is the vibration is also produced. The vibration of any object is necessary for the producing of the sound. We have to remember this fact things in the sound. That means whenever the sound is produced, the vibration of the object is also necessary. Then only we can hear the sound. When the vibration stops, the sound also stops. So due to that object which sound is produced, that is known as the source of the sound. Now next we will see the propagation of the sound. Here is also some example we can see. Sound travels in the sum of the waves through the air, water or through a solid and reaches our ears. It is a fact things. Whenever the sound travels in the form of the waves, either through the air also, water also, or through any solid subject also, and reaches our ears, and this sound is propagated more clearly through the liquid than the through air. If we will compare with the air, the sound is propagated more clearly, means it has been produced clearly through the liquid. That means it is heard most clearly through a solid only. Why it happens? Because the transmission of sound occurs at the different speed through the different mediums. It is also one of the important points why it has been happens only in the solid only we can get the sound very clearly, because the transmission of the sound, it depends, that means it occurs different speed through the different mediums. So the transmission of sound is faster through the liquid than through a gas, and faster through a solid than through a liquid. In the starting only I have compared the things. Whenever we are comparing to the liquid or the gas, the solid is the faster than comparing to the liquid, and liquid is the faster when we are comparing through a gas. So in this way we can see the propagation of the sound. Now we will see the next topic, that is the noise pollution, which we have studied before also. It is a very simple things, noise pollution which disturbs the noise. That means the noise disturbance is a very disturbing or the excessive noise which harms our health, which harms our activity, which harms our balance of the humans or the animal life. We will see here you can see the figure how the person is irritating so much too much of noise. That means aeroplane is flying over, the moving of the honking vehicles is there, then afterwards industrial production noise is also there, music from the disco, that noise, neighbors dog barking. So these are the little noise which creates the noise pollution and which disturbs our human health also. Now we will see here the next things, how we will take prevention for the noise pollution. That means measures for preventing the noise pollutions. First of all, as far as possible, we should avoid blowing the horn. It is that fact things, whenever it is necessary, then only we have to blow the horn. Otherwise, unnecessarily we should not disturb the things and we should not blow the horn. And the next point, it has been given the volume of the TV or the radio. Whenever we are in the house, whenever we are using the TV or the radio, we have to be restricted to those watching the programs also, or either we are watching also, we have to keep the volume low. That means in the medium volume, that no one can be disturbed. And the next one is the vehicles should also be maintained properly to reduce the unnecessary sounds which they are producing. It is a fact things, when the vehicles are not maintained, that means the servicing is not been done for that vehicles, what happens, it gives the unnecessary sound. So always we have to keep the maintained properly our vehicles. And the next thing is the which it should be away from the residential areas. That means the factories, the airports, the railway stations, bus stands should be located in a very proper places only, in a very proper distances which we are away from the residential areas. That means the common people, those who are living there, the society, the residential areas, that should be very far away from all these places. I hope so all the points are clear. Thank you.